If you're looking to add some seating to your outdoor space, then the 2x4 Basics Anysize Chair is the kit for you. This kit is fully customizable and can be built up to 6 feet long, and it only requires straight cuts, making it a super easy DIY build. We're going to show you just how easy it is today. Inside the box, you'll find 2 Anysize chair brackets, all of the necessary hardware, and easy to follow instructions. If you're missing any parts to your kit, feel free to reach out to our tech support team or visit us at 2x4basics.com. Tools that you'll need today are a circular saw, a drill with a number 2 Phillips bit, a tape measure, pencil, and safety glasses. To begin, you need to determine the size of your chair. And this kit can be built up to 6 feet long, and that's what we're going to do today. Before we get started, it's important to review the included instructions to ensure you're following the proper steps. Once you determine the size of your chair, you'll need to cut 9 2x4s to your desired length. And if you don't have a saw, your lumberyard can cut them for you. Now that we've cut our lumber to size, this is everything you're going to need for this build. Now after our lumber is cut, we're ready to go ahead and assemble that to our bracket. We're going to start with the stringer boards. And the easiest way to do that is to take your board, lay the bracket down, and slide it in so that it's flush with the bottom. And then we're going to go ahead and secure that in right here. We're going to do that with 2 boards. Now once you've got those stringers secure, it's probably easier now to go ahead and work from the ground. We're going to set that down like that and go ahead and just lay it over. And then we're going to attach our other bracket on this end. We'll slide those in, and we want to make sure they're flush. And we'll go ahead and get those secured on the inside and the outside. And once you get that in secured, go ahead and circle around to the outside of the other bracket. Now that our stringers are attached and secure, we're going to start placing our backboards on here. And as you can see, we've got 3 spaces on each side where those boards are going to go. You just want to make sure on each side, before you secure it from the back, that the outside edge is nice and flush. We'll go ahead and get that first board secured, and then we'll work our way up. Now we'll go ahead and move to the other end to secure the bracket down there. And we're going to repeat that step for the next 2 boards here. Just make sure that you set them on each of these tabs. Now that our back's complete, we're going to go ahead and move on to our bench area. And we're going to start with the front board. Now a couple things to pay attention to here. You want to make sure that your board's pushed fully to the front and that the outside is flush. And then we're going to secure it with 2 screws, one on the outside and on the inside on the underside. Now that we've got the first one secure, we're going to go ahead and work from the front to the back. We'll place our second board in there. And one of the things you want to pay attention to now is that you want to create about a 1/4 inch gap between each board. Again, make sure that they're flush as you work your way back. But a tip here for the 1/4 inch is to go ahead and take one of our provided screws and create that gap for you. And there you have it, your very own Anysize chair ready to be put to good use. Make sure you check out our other builds at 2x4basics.com. And also check out our how-to videos on our YouTube channel, 2x4 Basics. And remember, we build it to last, you make it any size.